There is so many other little nice things about this console that I could talk about that it could be its own video of just PlayStation 5 extra features. Like when you press the home button, you can come down here and go to music, and you can play the tracks from certain songs that you have, like Bugsnax or the Spider-Man, or just play anything straight from Spotify. Also, I love that when you're scrolling along your games in the menu, it'll play music from each game. And then they've upgraded the capture feature, which I really like. You can hit the capture button, it immediately freezes the game. You can go save recent gameplay, save full video, so you can save the entire time you've been playing so far, or you can go the last 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 minutes. Obviously you have take screenshot, but you also have start new recording. If you wanted to just start recording your gameplay without having to record what you've done, you can just start recording from now. Okay, let's talk about games. Because we can. PlayStation had a heck of a lineup for day one. We've obviously talked about this exclusive game, Spider-Man Miles Morales, but there was also Demon's Souls and Godfall, even the Sackboy Adventures whatever, which my GameStop didn't have and I had to order on Amazon and it's still not here. But that's 4 physical exclusive games launching on day one, and very different games as well to appeal to a wide range of gamers. But on top of that, we also had The Pathless releasing digitally day one, and Bugsnax also releasing on the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 on November 12th. But here's another big thing. Unlike with Xbox, which not only didn't get any launch day games, but we don't really even know when games are coming for the system, on PlayStation 5, we already know about a handful of exclusive games coming to the system in the near future. Quickly, Temtem, a Pokemon-like MMO that we took a look at on my channel recently, is getting an early access release on December 8th, and then going into next year, we have Deathloop, Origami 2, Ghostwire Tokyo, the God of War sequel, which will hopefully come next year, they said it will, and Horizon Forbidden West. So there's a ton of reason to buy a PlayStation 5 right now on day one, and there's even more reason when you look forward to next year. And on top of all of that, you also have PlayStation's new subscription service, which is akin to Game Pass, where you have a selection of games that you can play for, well, not for free, but for really cheap. And these games aren't no B-grade games, by the way. These are the heavy blockbuster PlayStation titles, 40 incredible games that you can play right now, on top of course, backwards compatibility. So whether you're looking for a brand new experience or to relive an old one, there's a ton to play day one on PlayStation 5. I have to tell you, every second I've had this console turned on and I've been playing it, I've had this smile on my face. Whether it's a full-bore smile and laughing at how much fun I'm having, or even just a smirk at the little features I'm finding, I've just had so much fun and so much pure joy from this console that I've never really gotten that level of excitement from a home console before. This is a feeling that I typically get from Nintendo systems. It's really a shame they're so hard to find because, oh my gosh, if it's not the perfect Christmas present. In my Xbox video, I said that the Xbox feels like a very powerful, sleek, gorgeous, high-end PC, and it still does. The PlayStation 5, even though its specs are almost identically comparable, it doesn't feel like a cut and dry, sleek, high-end PC. It feels like a gaming console that's just begging to have games played on it all the time. Maybe it's just me, but I see the PlayStation 5 as a console that has managed to merge two entities that until now were very separated in the world of gaming. I've always seen Nintendo's consoles to be the innovative, creative, fun console. What weird, wacky things are we doing over here with Nintendo when it's not necessarily about how powerful the console is? That doesn't matter. But then with the Xbox and PlayStation, all it's ever been about really is power. The PlayStation 5 mixes those realities. Not only do you have an extremely impressive console that looks and plays things as good as you're going to get anywhere, but you also have this innovative, creative side that is just begging to have new experiences played on it. It's a hybrid of innovation and power. Thanks for watching the video.